Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. Well, we told you it was going to be a wild ride, and look at that, the bargain hunters are moving in. Right now, the Dow is down, but only slightly, about 60 points. The S&P is down 19. The NASDAQ is down 28. When you actually take a look at the sectors, you can see that these fluctuations, these crazy movements, have been happening across the board. Only real estate and utilities seem to be having any problems, but take a look at this right here on the industrial sector, all of that movement. And I wanted to take a look at the S&P on the really big chart so that you can see this here. Now, yes, you can see how yesterday's drops actually pulled it down below the 200-day moving average. And then today it's come back up. We're still below the 50-day, and hopefully we're going to get back over that. But take a look at this. We were above it, and then we're now below, and hopefully we're going to be able to climb back up and get back into the movement. We will see what happens there. Now, let's talk about trade. Just a few minutes ago, we received the trade report showing the balance between our imports and exports. And it shows for the fourth month in a row, we are actually bringing in more goods than we are selling to other countries. It's a difference of about $53 billion. That was actually a bit bigger than expected, and it's the largest deficit now that we have seen since October of 2008, nearly 10 years ago. And when you look at 2017 as a whole, we find that the gap is extending. Right now, when it comes to goods and services, the deficit was $566 billion. That is $61 billion more than 2016 and could put a crimp in our hopes for continued growth in the fourth quarter GDP. So, who owes us and who do we owe money to? Well, we have a trade surplus with South and Central America, Hong Kong, Brazil, Singapore, and the United Kingdom. But when you take a look at who we actually owe money to, the deficits are bigger. China, $34 billion, the European, $17.2 billion, Mexico, Germany, and Japan. Well, that's it for right now. Thank you so very much for watching. Please remember to follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Click on this link to subscribe to our YouTube page, and you can find all of our past reports on realinvestmentnews.com. I'm Mike O'Neill, and we'll see you again in a few hours.